Next, it is 80386 processor. It is after the 80286 processor. 80386 processor is released after the 80286 processor. It is a first 32-bit processor introduced in 1985. The last one is introduced in 1982. It is a 16-bit processor. Now 80386 is a 32-bit processor. It is the first microprocessor which is introduced with 32-bit. Okay, it has 32 bit of data and address. Both the address and data buses are 32 bits. When we compare to the last 80286 and 8086, it has different data buses and address buses, but here we are using the same number of data and address buses, that is 32 bits. This is also not a multiplexed address bus. Okay, it has 132 pins. It has 132 pins. 80386 is a 132 pins IC, and it is by using these 32 address buses, it can capable up to 4 gigabytes of physical memory. By using these 32 address buses, it can be allocate the address up to 4 gigabytes of physical memory, and it can also support up to 64 terabytes of virtual memory. We can create 64 terabytes of virtual memory by using these 32 address buses, which is in 80386. It is a 132 pin IC. After that, it has 6 functional unit. In the last 80286, it has 4 functional unit. In 80386, it has 6 functional unit. In this, the first one is bus interface unit, execution unit, segment unit, paging unit, instruction decoder unit, and code prefetch unit. The first one is bus interface unit. It is responsible for transferring of the data from source to destination or different segments. Execution unit is responsible to execute the incoming data which is coming from the bus interface unit. The segment unit is responsible to segment or to divide the memories into different segments. A paging unit. This paging unit is responsible for the monitoring of the memory device, monitoring of the memory, or to maintain the memory, which memory location is allotted to the which instruction. It is used by the paging unit. Instruction decoder unit, which instructions used for the instructions which are coming from the bus interface unit, it will decode to a computer language, which are getting from the instruction which are giving to the computer usually is not understandable by a computer. It will decode here. In the code prefetch unit, in this code prefetch unit, it will store the codes, or it will prefetch the codes before executing the one of the instruction. When the computer or 8086 is executing first instruction, this code prefetch unit already prefetches the second instruction which is going to be executed in the next. Okay, in this 80386, in the commercial way, that means in a market, it is available in 2 versions. That is, first one is 80386SX, 80386DX. When we come to 80386SX, this SX 80386SX is a 16-bit data bus. 80386DX is a 32-bit data bus. These two are available in the market. When we go to the market, it will comes in 2 packages, that is 80386SX and DX. The SX version, it is 16-bit wide, and DX version, it is 32-bit data bus. The data bus is different in these versions, but internally it is working in a 32-bit. As we already studied about that, 80386 is the first 32-bit microprocessor. It has 32-bit also and 16-bit also in 80386.